This is a great all-rounder drill, capable of a variety of jobs around the house. The 710 watts impact drill is part of Ryobi's handy line range, making it perfect for DIY and home use. The drill's geared chuck will hold bits between 1.5 and 13 millimeters. It also features a hammer function with an impact rate of 48,000 blows per minute, which is perfect for masonry work. The top speed of 3000 RPM can be preset via the thumb wheel dial or controlled by the pressure sensitive trigger. There is a forward and reverse switch, as well as an easily accessible lock-on button to reduce user fatigue. The maximum drilling capacity is 25mm in wood, 10mm in steel, and 13mm in concrete. The drill weighs 1.66 kgs and is very comfortable in the hand. It comes with an auxiliary handle, metal depth stop gauge, and a chuck key that is stored on the cord. Overall, this is an affordable drill that will easily handle your DIY and home improvement needs. So just one of the drills available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.